Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how we can fix the hybrid configuration wizard error while downloading, opening or installing it. Let's go to the server and see how we can fix it. So right now we are on our Exchange server, and if we go to the ECP, here we have a hybrid wizard and here is the link for the hybrid configuration wizard. So right now I am on a Edge browser, and if I click here, it says that open this file, and if I click on open, nothing happens. Even if I go to the downloads, hybrid configuration wizard is not available there. If you want to try again, the same thing will happen. So it will keep a loop of this and we will not be able to download or run the hybrid configuration wizard. So let's try it on another browser. So let me quickly install the Chrome browser here. So the Chrome browser is ready. Let me open the Exchange Management Shell on Chrome. So right now we are inside the Chrome, and if I go to the hybrid and if I click here, we have the download here, and if I click on this download, you can see it says application cannot be started, contact the application vendor. Even if you click on the details, there are a lot of information to get confused. So what you can do in this scenario, if you are facing the same issue, you can just close this one, close this and just log out it from here as well. Even I will close this one, I will sign out from the Edge browser as well. You can just try to create a new notepad file and put the name as temp.application. Let me open the extension for this because we have to change the extension. Instead of text, I will just rename it and I will remove the text here. So it is the file now, it becomes temp.application. Do a right click, do the open with, and here you can just type the notepad and click on always. So this you have done. So now just close this again and again right click it and click on open with, and this time choose this, click once application deployment support library and click on always here and click on OK. So now let's go to the Edge browser and try to log in again, and we will try to download it again. Let's see if it works or not. Let me sign in and let's go to the hybrid again, and here now if we click it here and if I open it, it says where you want to open. If I say open it with the Microsoft Edge and click on always, click on open. Do you want to install the application? Now the installation can be run. If you click on install, you can see the Microsoft Office 365 hybrid configuration wizard is installing now. If you are getting the same error, by this way you can fix it and you will be able to install the hybrid configuration wizard in your Exchange environment. Before we wrap up, remember that Exchange environments are complex and every organization faces different challenges. Whether you need help with basic configuration, troubleshooting mail flow, fixing databases issue, planning migration or designing a complete Exchange architecture, support is available at every level. With Techi Jack, you can get the guidance for day-to-day admin tasks, advanced troubleshooting for production issues, migration and hybrid assistance, automation solution, and even custom tool built for your Exchange environment. If you need Exchange server support, consultation, troubleshooting, or project guidance, feel free to connect with Techi Jack. You can just open the website techijack.com. Here we support all the level of Exchange along with Windows Server. You can just click on contact. You can fill the form, tell your query, and you will be contacted. Techi Jack help you with the real scenarios, practical solution, and support when you need it. So whenever you face a problem with Exchange, you can feel free to contact Techi Jack for Exchange server support. I hope the video was useful. Let's meet in a next video. Friends, want to level up your IT career with exclusive Exchange server and hybrid training? Join my YouTube membership for exclusive step-by-step training, real-world migration labs, and insider tips you won't find anywhere else. Explore the complete playlist for Exchange Microsoft courseware, where you will get the step-by-step Exchange Server 2019-2025 training, hybrid Exchange plus Microsoft 365 deep dives, advanced migration guides and real-world lab, members only question and answer, and early access content, and many more new content to come. See the serious members taking the benefit of course content and leveling up their IT career. Playlist and membership link is available in the description. So select the membership and join now to start mastering Exchange like pro.